तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार. आय होप तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी साइन केला आसतली. साइन केला तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी? कितल्या लोकांनी लेटर वाचले? काय भिवू नका, हांव वाचून दाखयता तुमकां. माझे काम ते म्हणून म्हाका जास्त टाइम दिल्लो आहा. तुमकां सगळ्यांक वाचून दाखयता. कोणाक ते आमी सरकार न्हू तुमकां फटोवपाक. डेट पहिली गोवा 17 जुलै 2026 to the Chief Town Planner, Town and Country Planning Department, Government of Goa, Panaji, Goa. ऐकून घेवच्या, परत वाचचो राव. Memorandum of Representation. Subject: Demand for scrapping of Section 39A of the Goa, Daman and Diu Town and Country Planning Act 1974 and immediate cessation of further notification under Section 39A pending adjudication of its constitutional validity by the Honorable High Court. Dear Madam, Aitche, this memorandum is submitted by the undersigned citizens, आम्ही सगळे residents, professionals and civil society organizations of Goa on behalf of the statewide public mobilization. Enough is enough. We place on record our grave concerns regarding the continued alteration of the statutory regional plan for Goa 2021 through individual plot by plot notifications issued under Section 39A of the TCP Act. We call upon the Town and Country Planning Department to put up a technical note to support the universal public demand for immediate scrapping of Section 39A. सगळ्यांक मान्य आहा? We also demand suspension of all notifications under this provision. Okay, सगळ्यांक मान्य आहा? Please convey the contents of this memorandum to the government. आता background, serial number 1. RP 2021 was prepared through a statutory and participatory planning process involving professional planners, local bodies and the public. It remains the operative statutory land use plan governing the state and represents a planning framework developed in the public interest. It is not intended to be altered through ad hoc individual applications. Section 39A of the Act permits individual landowners to seek changes in zoning irrespective of the zoning prescribed under RP 2021, including conversion of land from eco-sensitive zone 1 and 2 to settlement zone. The cumulative effect of such individual approvals fundamentally alters the regional plan without following the statutory process prescribed for amendment of the plan itself. Separately, approximately 1,000 applications seeking relaxation of the floor area ratio and building heights beyond the limits prescribed under the building regulation were processed on a case-by-case basis. We understand that such approvals have ceased following proceedings before the Honorable High Court. हो विषय तुमका खबर आहा एडिशनल हाईट एंड एफआरचो. आम्ही संधी घेतात तुमच्या गावात जर खंयची लांब बिल्डिंग येता जाल्यार इमिजिएटली आमकां कळोवची, कित्याक हो आनी एक असलो 39A सारको प्रोविजन सरकारान इंट्रोड्यूस केल्लो पैसे दिवन एडिशनल हाईट आनी एफआर घेवपाक. ही केस कोर्टान आसा. तुमच्या गावान असली लांब टॉल बिल्डिंग बीन येता जाल्यार कळोवचे, आमी इमिजिएटली कोर्टाक कळोवंक मेळटले. कळ्ळें सगळ्यांक? We further understand that a substantial number of Section 39A applications remain pending. The constitutional validity of Section 39A and the related statutory amendments is presently under consideration before the Honorable High Court of Bombay at Goa. Grounds for this representation. आम्ही एक कित्याक representation file करता तेजे grounds. First, systematic erosion of the regional plan. The overwhelming majority of applications processed under Section 39A involve conversion of eco-sensitive zone 1 and 2 into settlement zone. Their cumulative impact is evident from the RP 2021 zoning map. Large contiguous ecological areas are being progressively fragmented through individual plot level conversions. Regardless of the stated purpose of Section 39A, its practical effect have been to alter the regional plan without undertaking the comprehensive studies, public participations and statutory procedures required for amendment of the plan. Publicly available records indicate the TCP board has recommended 811 applications for zone change under section 39A. Many comprise multiple piecemeal applications relating to the same property. These recommendations involve approximately 51 lakhs 14,291 square meters of land proposed for conversion from eco-sensitive zones to settlement zone. याचा अर्थ कळला? अजूनपर्यंत 51 lakhs 14,291 स्क्वेअर मीटर जागा रेकमेंडेशन दिलेली आहा झोन चेंज करपाक. 279 recommendations has been finalized. Nearly all involve conversion from eco-sensitive zones to settlement zones. Of these, 258 final notifications were issued despite detailed public objections submitted by local groups. याचा अर्थ कळलो? 279 रेकमेंडेशन फायनलाइज झाले, भितरले 258 रेकमेंडेशनाक ऑब्जेक्शन असताना सुद्धा यांच्यानी फायनलिटी दिली. म्हटलं लोकांक सांगलेले मानून सुद्धा नाही यांच्यानी. The total area finally converted under section 39A now stands at approximately 29.27 lakh square meters. सुमारे 30 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर ऑलरेडी झोन चेंज झालेलो आसा. 66 final notifications relate to plot containing significant areas designated as no development slopes in RP 2021, while 9 notifications concern land designated as paddy field and recorded as rice in revenue records. 66 application non-development slopan approved झालेली आहा आणि 9 शेत जमीन paddy field जिथून 149 चे rice mentioned आहा ते convert झालेले आहा. These figures demonstrate that the issue is not one of isolated exceptions but of widespread cumulative alteration of the regional plan. Second ground, matter presently before the Honorable High Court. The department is aware that the constitutional validity of the section 39A provision is pending adjudication before the Honorable High Court, but shows scant respect to the fact that the court wants to examine the matter. We submit it is neither prudent nor appropriate for the department to continue issuing fresh notifications and permissions under provisions whose very validity is under judicial scrutiny. The High Court has already passed an order directing that all final notifications will be subject to the final determination of the PIL before it, thus clearly indicating that the issue needs examination. In such circumstances, the difficulties that will be faced by persons granted this notification should they commence construction should also be taken into account. याचा अर्थ तुमच्या गावात 13 ते सुमारे 30 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर झोन जो चेंज झालेलो आहा आणि तुमच्या गावात जर खंयचे कन्स्ट्रक्शन येता जाल्यार इमिजिएटली आमकां कळोवचे सो दॅट आमी ते कोर्टाक कळोवंक मेळटले आमकां. कळ्ळें सगळ्यांक? थर्ड ग्राउंड, institutional responsibility. As Chief Town Planner and Member Secretary of the Town and Country Planning Board, your office occupies the principal professional and technical position within the state's planning framework. The public is entitled to expect that recommendations affecting the regional plan are made on sound planning principles supported by objective assessment and consistent with the statutory mandate of planned and sustainable development. In the light of the above, 39A proposals cannot be entertained. Fourth ground, lack of transparency regarding non-developable area notification. Approximately 2 crore square meters of additional land are reportedly proposed to be notified as non-developable area. However, the notification do not disclose the identity of the applicants, the area of individual plots, or the existing land use classification of the lands concerned. This lack of transparency is inconsistent with the standards expected of statutory planning. Further, we object to the department's use of the classification non-developable area, which does not appear among the planning zones recognized under the Act or RP 2021. Much of the land proposed under this designation already falls within eco-sensitive zones 1 and 2. Rather than introducing new classification, the department should preserve and enforce the protections already contained in RP 2021. आता आमचे डिमांड्स कितें आहा ते रीड आउट करून दाखयता. ह्या लेटरान बरयला. Pending final adjudication by the Honorable High Court, We call upon the department to ऐकतात ना तुम्ही सगळ्या submit a technical note to the Goa government to recall section 39A from the statute book as soon as possible or through an ordinance. मान्य हा सगळ्या? दुसरे, forthwith cease issuing any further notifications under section 39A, including publication of notifications in the official gazette. मान्य हा? Record and communicate to all beneficiaries that permissions already granted under section 39A remain subject to the final outcome of the pending constitutional challenge. Okay, ha? Undertake to restore the legal status quo in the event that section 39A or permissions granted under it are ultimately held to be unlawful. Manya ha? And final demand. Publish within a reasonable period a consolidated public register of all applications received, pending, recommended and approved under section 39A since its introduction in the interest of transparency and public accountability. Yes. Accepted? Yes. Thank you. Final closing. We request acknowledgement of this memorandum and a written response addressing the above demands within 15 days of receipt. We reserve our rights individually and collectively to pursue all available legal and constitutional remedies, including bringing any continued issuance of notifications under section 39A to the attention of the Honorable High Court while the constitutional challenge remains pending. We trust that the department will discharge its statutory responsibility by safeguarding the integrity of RP 2021 and ensuring that development in Goa proceeds in accordance with law, sound planning principles and the public interest. Section 39A must be scrapped. EIA will continue its campaign till this objective is achieved. Okay? Yes. Thank you. Jai Goa, Jai